everyone, today is boosting the biggest maths about programming. Yeah, about programming. Then you might believe yourself. Okay, let's get started. Maths number one. Programming is only for geniuses. It's false. Many people think only geniuses can be programmers, but programming is a skill anyone can learn. Maths number two. You need the math skills to be a programmer. No, so. This math scares off a lot beginners, but most programming tasks require only basic math knowledge. Programmers work alone. Maths number three. Contrary to popular belief, programming is often a time effort. Big projects require collaboration among developers, designers, and managers. Maths number four. All programmers are hackers. No. Movies often show programmers as hackers, but most of us spend more time reading documentation or checking forms than hacking anything. Maths number five. Programming is boring and repetitive. For some, code might seem boring, but for programmers, it's a world of endless possibilities.
A few moments later.
If you know one programming language, you know them all. No, it's false. Each language is independent and states to different tasks. No one language doesn't make you an expert in others. Learning new language requires time to practice. Programmers are lifelong learners, always adapting to new languages and technologies. Maths number seven. You can learn to code in a month. So. You can certainly grasp the basics in a month, but becoming skilled takes longer. Programming demands require practice and real-world problem solving, which takes years to master. Maths number eight. You need expensive computer to program. No, it's false. You don't need a head computer to start coding. A simple laptop can handle most beginner's tasks. Programming often has lower resource requirements, so you can start with affordable equipment and upgrade as you progress. Maths number 9. You'll get a high-paying job while often studying. Many think a programming degree leads directly to high salary, but experience and skills are what really matter. Maths number 10. Code must be perfect the first time. This math creates fear in beginners, but programming is all about interning and improving bugs and errors them normal when professionals review and refine their code multiple times. This is a board video. If you like this video, subscribe this channel and click the like button. Thanks for watching. See you next time.